Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. I'm doing a bit of an experiment today. I'm using the Ridernav R7M, which is our 2026 best budget buy for BMW bikes. It's an amazing unit. But what I'm actually doing today is I'm experimenting using Calimoto and Chatgpt. Now, just before we start, I should mention that Calimoto is only CarPlay. You cannot get this in Android Auto. They've been promising to bring out for ages, but they haven't. But anyway, it's nothing I can do about that. So what I've done is I created a route in ChatGPT, asked it to make me a route that's a day ride basically from my home address, and it came up with quite a nice route actually, because I do know the areas around here, and where it's taking me to is actually really nice. So the route is in here. I did it on the desktop and it'll automatically appear in here. If I go to my rides, it's this one here, so it's 167 mile loop, and I just click start from here, and there we go. So that's the route. So this is the route that I'm going to be doing. I'll do some video of it as we go along here, and I'll talk about the Ridernav unit as well. And by the way, the Ridernav unit is available with a 25% discount from us. You just go to ridernav.com and put in Smart Riding, all one word, and that will give you 25% off. And at the moment, that brings this cost down to less than $300. Anyway, let's set off. Well, I've done about 60-70 miles, and it's brought me some really nice roads. Some places I've not seen before, like this track here, although it's not very long, but it's very scenic, and there's loads of little roads like this it's bringing me on. I'm going to stand up on the pegs a little bit. This is a bit bumpy here. The R7M with the Calimoto unit seems to work pretty well. I mean, I've been impressed with this unit since I got it anyway. And for those of you that have seen all the other videos I've done, I mean, this is our 2026 best budget buy for BMW bikes. You know, with the 25% discount, which is just use the promo code Smart Riding at the checkout. This unit comes in at under $300. There is a new unit coming out soon, the R7X, which will be a universal unit, which will fit onto any bike, and it's quick release. So you'll be able to take off the same way the BMW one does. It's nice finding these little roads like this. You know, especially as I'm not local to here and I'm still learning my way around. So this is quite cool. It's a bright sunny day again, and if you look at the display you can see it quite clearly. The 1200 nits is really bright, and it's better than most of the units out there. Like I said, it's the Calimoto and the Chatgpt that I've used to make this route up. I just told Chatgpt to make me up a nice scenic route that is within a day's ride of where we live. What's good is that Chatgpt asked me where I'm going to be using the GPX files, and I told it that I'm going to put it in Calimoto, and it gave me the file ready to use. So there were no issues with importing it or anything. It just went straight into Calimoto, and Calimoto just set the route up for me, and that was it. I've ordered a new bike which will be arriving about end of April. It's the new BMW 450 GS Trophy Edition. I saw it at the EICMA show last year in November, and I thought it looks really good, and I could do with another lightweight bike. You know, so it's under 180 kilos. There's about 50 brake horsepower. I thought that would be a fun bike to ride around.